Welcome back. Let's continue with the paint feature. When you click the Flow button, you can get into paint mode. What's nice is that you can also extend this spline. Just double-click to enter Edit mode, set Extend mode, and continue dragging from a knot or towards a knot. And if you want to have this spline replaced, click the New button and have a new game object with spline created. Let's remove this again. This, of course, works also with the path of MicroVerse. Let's create the path, and let's change it to a different shape and location. Let's zoom in. Of course, this works also with MicroVerse roads. Let's remove this one again. And let's create a 2-lane road by painting it and repainting it. We are now in the paint mode, but let's go to replace mode and make this a closed loop to create a circuit. Now we have a manually painted circuit road created. Let's add delineators to have more decoration. What's also interesting is the copy-paste functionality. For instance, we can create a railroad track and we use MicroVerse painting to create a spline with the preset. A simple small track is sufficient. And we now want to replace the road with the railroad. With the Object button, you can get to the copy-paste feature. Important is the space in which you copy and paste the spline data, which you will need if your transforms are different. And since the road transform is at this location and the railroad transform is here, the spline data in the spline container, however, are all relative. That's why we need to use the world space for copying. Let's hide the road system and paste the spline data in world space. And now we have a railroad directly where the road was placed.